I do though, celebrate my birthday with my family. Go to church. My God, I miss church. Go to church and then pray, thank God for the blessing of being here and all that. And then buy an iPhone.
Yeah.
And then buy an iPhone.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy a Sirocco.
What is that? Is that an animal?
No. That's a brand. That's a kind model of a phone.
Really? I want a BB. You know what a BB is?
Have you seen the Vertu?
Yeah.
My God. It's so simple, but it's so expensive.
Yeah.
Because of the material.
I want a BB. Have you seen a BB?
Yeah, I had a BB.
No way.
And I didn't like it. Because it was so...
I want the one that's ano. So I want an iPhone because the keypad is the QWERTY. That's the one I like. It's touchscreen. My God, I don't want to think this way.
What?
Nothing.
Emotion?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Lights off, please. A boys' room. Thank you.
You're not gonna record anymore?
Yeah, it's postponed.
Bakit pa kasi hindi siya inaalis? Oh my God! That's it. Nagkwento ko yung sa mom ko. Nahulog siya. Nakakatuwa. Ano?
And everything I love you, girl, and everywhere. Will always hold you sa akin.
Bakit ako hindi pa rin mababa? Hindi ko yung mababa.
Hindi na ako.
Nakanimigay.
Thank you. Sobrang naman.
5 pesos.
Listen.
Switch me, wait. I hate you, man. I hate you, bro. Nung kanta ko, medyo nagre-record sa amin ko. Hindi ko lang magpakatotoo. Yung kay Bunny. Ang ganda. Mas gusto ko yung kay Bunny. Sobrang pasbati sa akin. Gusto ko rin yung song ko parang nailagay ko sa tawanan. Set. Yung song ko parang ano. Alam mo, ayoko lang magmahal. Ang lolo ko.
Hold on, you're still awake. Nasaan yung mga libro? Lakainitan yung mga libro. Ito. Ito lang. Hinaram to ni Chris sa akin eh. Songwriters on songwriting. Then you make me feel. Ha? Sa girl's room. Sa'yo ba to? Parang yung notebook ni Van, walang laman. Van, yung notebook mo parang walang laman. Yung notebook mo parang walang laman.
Kami nun sa school, kapag kami intermission, lahat ng titilian, puro kasi kami lalaki, magbabarkada. Ang dami, nakatalikod dyan, pero ang sayaw may ganito. You're always so beautiful. Ganun pa yun, no?
Teka, ganito. Nangyari sa mom ko. Alam mo, may dishwasher, di ba, sa States? May dishwasher sa States. Ganon, di ba? So, nangyari, ginon yung mom ko. May kinuha siya ng gamit.
Oo.
Ganon. Nilift siya. Nagtayo siya doon sa para magtabi. Biglang nahulog yung mom ko. Nahulog siya. Ganon siya. Taob siya sa floor. Ganon. Boom! Ganon. Anak, hindi ko ma-feel yung paa ko. Ma'am, which one? Ito. Ma, ano? Yun, hindi ko ma-feel. I guess mo, she was pointing at one. Akala niya. Kasi ito masakit, pero ganun siya. Sakit talaga. Sakit. Naman yung mom ko.
Katulad mo.
Ha? Oo, katulad mo din. Dumit pala.